everyone, it's Nerfinator again, bringing you another unboxing and review. This time I am bringing you the Nerf Rival Phantom Core Helios. And so, if you guys aren't familiar with the Phantom Core line, it's basically a neutral zone between the red team and the blue team. The Phantom Core line comes with these flags or bands that tell players what team you're on. So I'm going to go ahead and get this out of the box. I'm going to grab my knife, which is right over there. Alright, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and get this out of the box. Okay, so the main blaster is free, and wow, that has a big handle. The handle is actually a little bit bigger than the one on the Apollo. The clip release is located in the same place, but it's orange this time, which is kind of neat. Adds a little bit of contrast. Here's those red and blue flags I was talking about earlier. This is the priming bar. It can go on either side. I'm going to go ahead and put it in this side. And once it's in there, it's in there. That's nice. We've got one 7-round magazine that it comes with. Wow, that's smooth. Grab drops. So you can just... Okay, I can't do that motion very quickly, but you can just tap it and it'll drop the clip. It's pretty nice. I like it. The stock is actually decently comfortable. As far as any optics go, it doesn't have any real sights, but it's got a very nice profile to it. It's very uniform. As far as deco goes, Hasbro did a pretty good job over here. We've got Rival, and a nice white logo right here. We've got the Phantom Core logo. And if you guys can see, we've got engraved over here the Rival logo right there. And then we've got over here we've got the number XBII 700, which is Hasbro's way of telling us it ships with a 7-round clip. We have our instruction manual, which is not necessary. We can go ahead and get rid of that. So I'm going to go ahead and load up our 7-round magazine here. Now, I also recently acquired the Nerf Rival Chronos. I'm going to link to that video at the end of this one. So we're going to go ahead and load this. It's got a return spring. That is so much better than the Apollo. And it gets, honestly, almost better performance than the Apollo. Get your ammo back. As far as the overall performance goes, I would say it's on par with other rival blasters that I've had in the past. It's getting, I would say, right in there around the 90s to possibly right in there around the 100 mark as far as FPS goes. The priming is very quick, very crisp. So is the trigger pull. Very nice, very snappy, very crisp again. And then the safety is very smooth. I like that. And we have a absolutely tiny jam door over here, and I can barely get my finger in there, and I can't quite imagine what would lead up to getting a jam in a blaster like this, but I don't know. It's got a very nice muzzle, very nice profile here. I'm really digging the vents at the front. I actually am a bit of a fan of the Phantom Core aesthetic. I think it's really nice. I think that they should keep doing this line. I think they should redo other blasters that they've done in the past in red and blue teams. I think they should redo them in the Phantom Core line. They did that with the Apollo, but I haven't seen them do it with any others. I think they might have done it with the Artemis, but I'm not sure. I think this might be just a rumor. I would really like to see them do the Zeus and the Chaos. That would be really cool. But as far as this goes, it's really awesome. We got primate indicators here on both sides. We got a sling point right here, and that's really the only sling point. As far as these flags go, let's see, we'll grab the correct team color here, and the flags themselves are made out of a very nice, very good material, but these clips aren't the best. Right? They're made out of this plastic that's, honestly, it's a little flimsy. If I was going to actually run these as like to identify myself with a team, I would clip it to my belt, and I would use a carabiner and not this plastic clip that it comes with. But about the only place you can clip it is here on the blaster, and that hardly really wants to clip at all. That's about the only place you can clip it. But I'm not even going to bother with that. I also got a set with the rival Kronos that I got, as you'll see in that video. They were packaged a little bit differently. They were set up, well, these came wrapped up together, as the other two came wrapped up separately, which was really cool. And my cat is over there scratching wood. So at any rate, I hope you guys have enjoyed my review and unboxing of the Nerf Phantom Core Rival Helios. I know I've certainly enjoyed taking this little beauty out of the box and showcasing it for you guys. So as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment in the comments below. Always love hearing what you guys have to say. And as always, this is Nerfinator, signing off.